I'm Holly Furr. I am your sales coordinator in the Monroe office of America's Home Place. I love getting up and coming to work every day for America's Home Place because when I come to work, I know I'm going to have fun, it's going to be exciting, and it's going to be refreshing to know that what I do matters. Matters not only to my teammates and my coworkers, it matters to our customers. And I'm sure that that shows through when they walk through those doors. I have the support of my entire staff behind me. It's exhilarating to know that I can do this every single day, and I'm here to help customers, and they appreciate that. I'm here to help my coworkers, and they appreciate that. And just the simple fact that it's really a no pressure kind of job as far as management. We are all here to have fun, and we are here to help our customers build that custom home. Again, my name is Holly, and I am a sales coordinator at Monroe, North Carolina, America's Home Place.